In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Cinema 4D to default settings and reset individual object parameters. If Cinema 4D is acting strangely, running slower than usual, or you just want to start fresh, a full reset can clear out corrupt preferences and restore everything to factory defaults. Before you do anything, save your work and completely close Cinema 4D so nothing is locked in memory. If you need help finding the preferences later, remember that when Cinema 4D is open, you can go to Edit, Preferences, and then click Open Preferences folder. That command reveals the exact location you'll be working with in your file browser. With the application closed, use your operating system's File Explorer to navigate to the main Cinema 4D installation directory. Inside, locate the folder for your specific version of Cinema 4D. Deleting that version folder removes the existing preferences, settings, and custom configurations tied to that build. This is what triggers the reset. If you've customized layouts, shortcuts, palettes, or scripts that you might want later, consider copying that folder to a safe backup location before deleting it. It's not required, but it's a smart safeguard in case you want to restore something specific. Once the folder is deleted, reopen Cinema 4D. On launch, the program will rebuild fresh preference files and restore all settings to their defaults. That means you'll see the default layout, default render, and viewport settings, and default hotkeys. If your earlier issues were caused by corrupt or conflicting preferences, this clean slate often resolves them immediately. Now, if you don't need a full application reset and only want to revert settings for a single object, you can do that directly in the Attributes Manager. Select the object, find the parameter you want to revert, right-click on that parameter's name, and choose Reset to Default. This puts just that setting back to its original value without affecting anything else in your scene. If you want to revert everything for that object at once, right-click within the parameter area of the Attributes Manager and choose Reset All. That command rolls every parameter for the selected object back to its defaults, which is handy if you've experimented with multiple fields and want a clean baseline again. That's all there is to it. Use the full reset when you need a fresh start for the entire application, and use Reset to default or reset all in the Attributes Manager when you only need to correct a single object.